A customer must implement a disaster recovery environment for a mission-critical Unix database. The production and recovery sites are km apart and a DWDM infrastructure is in place between the locations. The requirement is for zero data loss in the event of a disaster. Which HDS replication technology meets the customer's requirements? Option A. Universal Replicator. Option B. True Copy Synchronous. Option C. True Copy Asynchronous. Option D. True Copy Cascaded from a local shadow image. The correct answer is option B. An AMS customer wants to copy a database over KM to a secondary site using True Copy Extended Distance. The number of updates is minimal and the application's workload is very stable. Which two factors should be carefully considered? Choose 2. Option A. How many LUNs are replicated? Option B. Which LUN types must be copied? Option C. How large should the pool be on the controllers? Option D. How large is the recovery point objective, RPO? The correct answer is option C, D. What are 3 key points a customer must consider when establishing a 3 data center, DC, business continuity solution? Choose 3. Option A. The customer must decide which type of 3 DC to install. Option B. The customer must decide the size of the metadata area on each journal volume. Option C. The customer must decide the ratio of metadata to real data on each journal volume. Option D. The customer must decide the link type and performance between the local and distant USP. Option E. The customer must decide the type and number of parity groups necessary to obtain the size and performance of the journal groups. The correct answer is option A, D, E. A customer uses Universal Replicator for disaster recovery for several mission-critical applications. A disaster occurs at the production site and network communication is lost between the sites. Which 2 actions should be used to split the Universal Replicator pairs from the recovery site so the secondary volumes can be used for application recovery? Choose 2. Option A. Issue a HORC takeover REST command from the recovery site CCI server. Option B. Issue a HORC takeover REST command from the recovery site storage navigator. Option C. Suspend the Universal Replicator pairs with S-volume write enabled from the recovery site CCI server. Option D. Delete the Universal Replicator pairs from the secondary site using the recovery site storage navigator. The correct answer is option A, D,